as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent waist.
Good morning, welcome to the next property review. Location is Westlands. Westlands from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, it is 15 minutes using the Nairobi Expressway. From the SGR, which is near to Jomo Kenyatta, it is the same 15 minutes. From the main city, which is Nairobi, the capital, the CBD, it is only 5 minutes. This area, it is a UN proven. All the amenities you want, be it you want to visit Gigiri, which we have the embassy of United States of America, UN headquarters, all of them will be in this area. So right now we are in a project which the completion will be the completion will be 2027. I have this unit is a 2-bedroom apartment. The size of it is 111 square meter. The starting price is 13.4 million Kenyan shillings to 16 million Kenyan shillings. Also, they have 1 bedroom. The size is 74.28 square meter. The price starts from 8.7 million to 10.7 million. All of these changes according to the floor. Completion is September 2027. The service charges for this 2-bedroom where we are, it is 10,000 Kenyan shillings, and a 1-bedroom, the service charges is 7,000 Kenyan shillings. To rent a 2-bedroom in Westland right now, or with this size, you will rent it at 120,000 Kenyan shillings, and a 1-bedroom ranges from 90,000 to 100,000 Kenyan shillings. So we'll start the video from outside, because this is your entry into the unit. From outside, this is the entry foyer into this unit, which when you are outside here, you enter in this side. You have the console or the shoe rack, you have the electric panel, all of it, inbuilt internet. Then you come into the house, into the unit. From the entry into the unit, you have space separation. Then here, this one is the cloakroom. You see the tiling of it also on this side. The vanity plus the toilet there comes in looking like that. So when you come into the unit from this side, you already left that. You come in, first thing you see is this, the dining. You are able to locate or to see your fridge. It's a 1-door fridge, but you can extend it if you want. So it comes with this semi-open plan kitchen concept, looking like that. So the kitchen will come with the cooker and the extract. The unit will not come with the microwave and oven. They are not part of this. So you will only have this and the extractor plus the sink. Obvious, it is a must. Takes you out here. This is your laundry space, very huge. Yeah, the laundry space is very huge. I will not access there. It's very huge going that side. So when you are in the kitchen, you are able to see your dining, you are able to see your living room. The lighting fixture, they will be part of the unit, the final unit. The gypsum of those light running up there, the one you're seeing, will be part of it. And then the walls will be painted white. Right now, this wall, they have panels like here. That's a panel. It will not be part of the unit. It will be like this. It will be not like this, and it's a wall. It will be a wall painted white, but the television side, it will come looking like that. Anything you're able to see there will be part of the final unit. And also the down lighters, they will be part of it. This unit comes with a very huge balcony now, but this balcony faces the garden. Okay, so this balcony is facing this garden, but we have a very huge distance here, around something like 10 meters a gap, where we have the amenities here. So you have this as your balcony area. We close it up because of the noise. You come back into your apartment. You see how it looks like. When you stand on this side, you're able to have a view of it clearly. That is the dining plus the kitchen plus the entry into the house. So from here now we look into the first bedroom of the house, which is all of these 2 bedrooms, all of them are ensuite. Into the first bedroom of the house, when you enter in, you can see on the far end you have the shower. It's a cubicle shower. At the center you have the water closet, and then here you have the vanity, enough storage for you, plus that mirror. When you are brushing your teeth, you are applying gel on your body, you are doing makeup, you do that. Then you are welcome into the bed space area. The bed size, this is 5 by 6. You still have enough space here to move around. You have enough space on the other side, and then that is your wardrobe. The ceiling will come looking like that, plus this, the center light. And on this side you can decide to have this extra storage facility for yourself. One thing I did not say, I've noticed this, the type of socket they are using, which is the universal socket. As I keep on saying in my videos, many of our projects in Kenya, we use the standard socket. So when our friends come from abroad, it is very hard for them to survive with us. But for me, even my charger will still fit in, because this is now the universal. You can see also the finishing of it. Each door comes with a stopper, so you are not damaging the handle. That is, the door will stop at that. So from here we'll check the main bedroom of this, the 2 bedroom unit. Just back into the living room, and then you welcome here into the main bedroom. Main bedroom, what you see first, it is the bathroom on the far end, the center, and then here also the vanity. Also comes with this, the Arabic shower. That is the name I call it. Yeah, I know you have different names, but it comes with that, the Arabic shower. You can have this space for storing your gel. It will be part of the final. Will it be part of the final? Yes, it will be part of it, plus this, the socket when you want to use. This is the towel a rail where you will place your towel. From there we come now into the bed space itself. Very huge, a big stadium, enough space here. You see that space behind your bed, also your working area or your dressing table. Mainly for men, it's a working area. For women, it changes into a dressing table. Yes, then you have enough space, a large window. As you can see, those shears, the white shears, that's the window. Very huge, meaning light into the house won't be a problem. And then when you turn, you see that, you see the wardrobe, very huge enough. So also these are panels, so they will not be part of the final unit. So from this unit now, from this one now, we'll check the 1 bedroom, because it is the same developer who's doing, and all of the show house, they are on this floor. So from here we meet in the 1 bedroom apartment.
You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Say you need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, huh? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve, your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve, your silky little sleeve. I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot, I'm not the 1 or the 2 or the 3 or the get your life while you're searching. Hope you find, act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines. I was born at night, not last night. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve? I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Silky little sleeve. Lines between the lines, between the lines.
Welcome to one bedroom. The size is 74.28 square meter. Selling price 8.7 million to 10.7. The prices varies from the floors. That's why you can see it's varying. But starting from 8.7 to 10.5. Be sure of the pricing, because if you give wrong prices, it always brings a conflict. 10.7. So when you enter into your house, this is the entry into the house. On this side you will have this console. This is the shura area. It comes with this kitchen. So when you come in just straight here, this is the provision for your fridge. You have a sink on this side. Then on the other side you have the cooker, extractor, you have the oven and the microwave. So the two are not coming with the unit. You will have only the provision, but this is what is coming with the unit: the cooker and the extractor. On this side you have your laundry area. Laundry space very huge, whereby this is where you will fit your heater. The heater will be fitted there, but not by you, by the developer. The developer will do that, or you will just come with the things that haven't. Like we already have the cooker, so you will not come with the cooker and will not come with the extractor. You will go on buying the microwave and the oven, and you will go on buying the fridge. It's a one bed, so it has only one toilet. So welcoming you into this living area. This is your dining area space. The unit you are seeing behind it, it will not come with it, but the lighting and what they have done with the gypsum, all the lighting you are seeing, they will be part of the final thing. And on the television, it will come with it. What you are seeing here, that console will come with the unit. That is, it's part of the final. The unit also has a balcony, which is facing the other side. As I have shown you from the two bed, it is the same thing. From the two bedroom, it's the same. I think I was a bit low because of the noise. Now it looks like that. So the walls will be painted white, as what you're seeing on the ceiling will be painted white, but everything you see around will be part of the final unit. If you purchase it right now, it will look like this. So as we talk like this, you need also to know how much can you rent a one bedroom in Westlands. Right now, one bedroom in Westlands ranges from 90,000 to 100,000. That is the range of this one bedroom in Westland. This area or this project, when they are happening, all of them, they need to be approved by the UN. So they are UN approved. Okay, so before they will even go on doing everything, they need to be approved. You have this area, that is your vanity, a mirror, where you will have the towel. Then all your gel will be placed at that place. It has a toilet here. The toilet at the center, you have the toilet, and then at this corner you have the bath or the cubicle shower. Then you are welcome into this huge one bed or the bed space areas. Very huge, enough space. You can still have extra working space in it. Very huge. For this one, if you buy in terms of Airbnb, you will receive your money back. The return in investment is very high, because right now people are moving to Westlands. Westland is in the center. This is a UN habitat area. Okay, so it looks like that. So that wall will come painted white. All of them will come painted white. This is your wardrobe. You see enough space here and enough space on the other side, enough space for here. A very huge bed. This is more than 6. This is more than, I think, 12. It's very huge, very huge. And then you come back, it looks like this. So the completion of this project I've already told you, but just be avoidance of doubt, the completion will be September 2027. The service charges for a 2-bed is 10,000. A 1-bed service charge is 7,000. Okay, to rent a 1-bedroom in Westlands ranges from 90,000 to 100,000. To rent a 2-bedroom in Westlands ranges from, it doesn't even range, it's always fixed at 120, but some people can still negotiate. But as you have seen, they are bigger than other sizes. If you want to purchase this unit for investment, I've already given you the figures. What you'll do, on the first comment or part of my description, there is a website which is the analyzer. Click in, use the free trial, fill in all the information I've given you, run. If you see, if you purchase this unit, will it return? Will you be able to make some profit after? If you are renting them out, you are buying them to rent. UN offices will be moving to Kenya very soon. They have already started moving, so use this opportunity to purchase this unit. Not far away from, this is some of the big malls, some of the amenities. Like Westland is in the center of everything. You want to go to the United States headquarters or the embassy is not very far. You want to visit the Germany embassy is not very far. You want to visit the British High Commission, which is in Upper Hill, it's not very far from here. So those people who want to invest, reach out. The number is always shared. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next property review. Bye bye.
And somehow I find you. I can't bother time no more time. Lines between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve? I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Silky little sleeve. What you got to hide behind that silky little sleeve? Yeah.